All right, here we go. Just gonna try to get a clean POV down Hawk. I'm not the local, so I don't know all the ins and outs of it. But last time I did not get a good angle for you, or it was too bumpy, so hopefully this is better for you.
Hey, it's Brett here, MTBMOR, and today I want to show you some of the advanced trails at Santiago Oaks. The inspiration for this video was my Hawk video was super bumpy and rough, and I wanted to get a better POV for you, the viewer. So that's the goal. But all these trails you can get to in about an hour, so it's pretty rad. You just go boom, 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 and you lap them. I start with Chutes Ridgeline as my warm-up because I know it the best, but you don't have to do it that way. You can save that one to last. It's all good. Now, I've been riding for 10 years and riding a lot. And what I'm realizing is even after 10 years, I'm still improving. So if you're looking at these trails going, I'll never get there, don't be so sure, because there's a lot to learn in mountain biking. You learn about your bikes, you learn about the trails, you learn techniques. So there's a lot of progression to be had. And if you're not riding a lot, the progression might take longer. So you can always improve. But the most important thing is to have fun. Mountain bike more.
All right, here we go. Chutes Ridgeline. One of my favorites here. Santiago Oaks. Great warm-up trail. Great steep start. Pretty big ledges there. Just because the first trail I'm doing does not make it the easiest, but I ride it more than any other one, so it's a good warm-up for me. And the cool thing about this trail is you can see some of it as you come up, so you can kind of eyeball it or even ride some of it. Still do not have a full send mode here. Because sometimes you end up in those chunky sections and bad lines and you don't know it. Oops. Rear brake's going soft. Oh, there it goes, came back. Woo! So pop that or roll it. Drop those or go around them. And here's an optional little rock hook. And now it's just getting down the trail. All right, here we go. Mountain goat, waterfall. Some optional rock drops. Woo! Still don't know this trail super well, so hopefully I don't make any major mistakes. Didn't know if I was going to go that way or not. Somewhere there's a jump I want to hit. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Totally missed the jump again. Never hit that jump. I always miss it. And up here there's a little steep section. Where is it? Oh. Straight off the edge. Yep. Or you can go right there. Oh. And hopefully you make the turn better than I did. Oh well. I was hoping for a clean run. That's kind of why we ride these things. Push ourselves. That should be a gap for me, but tight turn. There we go. I know up here somewhere I go right when I need to go left. So I'm gonna stay left here. And it didn't matter yet. So rock drop, I'm gonna stay left again. Okay, here it is, I think. Where the heck's the trail? Oh, it's down there. All right. Oh, I went right. Okay, gotta veer left. Yep, got up here. All right. So here's the left I need. Oh, that looks too gnarly. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Oh, saved it. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, all right, I'll put a run together one of these days. But yeah, I saved it at the end. I'm stoked. Mountain goat, super fun. Some gnarly sections, short, sweet, epic. All right, here we go. Just gonna try to get a clean POV down Hawk. I'm not the local, so I don't know all the ins and outs of it. But last time I did not get a good angle for you, or it was too bumpy, so hopefully this is better for you. First couple drops are pretty big and nasty. And now it gets a lot easier. There's these fun little downhill berms. Take some steeper ones than this. There's this little rock roll right here. Just roll down the rocks. And then up here comes a new line that I didn't realize existed. I stopped to film and I found it, and it's way faster. Don't know it real well yet, so we might make some errors, but nope, that's how it's done. And here's another steep berm. This one's cool looking. You can roll that or jump it. You can jump this or roll. And then here's an optional one. But that berm is tough to catch. And then here you just drop off. Woo! There you have it, Hawk Trail. Super fun, short, session it, go back up Oak if you want. If you take the right fork, it's Grasshopper. All right, here we go, down Grasshopper. What a great view. The sun's behind some clouds, so it should turn out pretty nicely. Little rocks here. And then it gets a little steeper right here, just short, steep section, but not overly steep. All right, here's the rocky section, the rock option. Brake bump. Little rock drop here. Oh, a couple of them. I'm sure some guys just send it through there. I'm not there yet. But hey, this is a blast, short little trail. Brake jack kind of bumps it up. Some little berms. And that's it. Grasshopper. That's kind of cool because it puts you out here, I think, on sage. And it gives you a little bit of elevation not to have to regain when you pedal back up. So Grasshopper, woohoo! Well, I hope you liked this video. Hopefully it got a little gnarly every once in a while. Hit like, hit subscribe, leave me comments, yell more if you see me on the trails. Don't be shy. Mountain bike more. Ride more. Subscribe. Laugh more.
Like. Crash more. Comment.
Crash more. Comment.